Okay, good afternoon, children. So, as I promised that I'll be giving a revision of chapter 3 questions. So, we will be revising this chapter. You know, it is going to come for your exam, right? So, we are going to revise this. And now, let us start. We know the story. We have already done that. Already that module was uploaded in the video. Now, see. There is a king who really wants to know the answers of 3 questions. These 3 questions are: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important things for him to do? So these 3 questions were there. And what king did? King sent his messengers. Who are messengers? Messengers are the people, those who take message from one place to another place. He sent his messenger throughout his kingdom. What is kingdom? The territory. Okay, if this is my kingdom, I'll have a boundary here, there. This is my territory. And throughout means everywhere. He sent his messengers everywhere and told that give message to all the wise people. Whoever will come and give the answer of these 3 questions will be rewarded. What reward is going to give? He is going to give money as a reward. So his messengers went throughout the kingdom and called a lot of wise people, and a lot of wise people also came. They came with different answer. For first one, what is the right time to begin something? So for that answer, some wise people told that we should have a timetable, right? We should make timetable, which is not possible. Other opposed, which is not possible. How it is possible for a king to follow a timetable? Every day 4 o'clock wake up, then 5 o'clock bath, 7 o'clock yoga, like that it is not possible for king. King has a separate way of living. So that was opposed by many people. Then idea comes that okay, he should avoid foolish pleasures. Again it is how can you categorize the enjoyment, whether it is our foolish pleasures or it is must. See, when we come from school or office or wherever, we sit on sofa, enjoy our life for some time, and somebody calls it as it is a foolish pleasure. That is wrong, isn't it? We even want to relax, even king want to relax. So this idea was also flopped. So avoid foolish pleasure also gone. Then comes counselors. He should have some members of council, and these members should give him advice. How it is possible every time? Okay, today I decided I'll go for a movie. How can I take advice from these 5 counselors whether I should go or not? Whether it comes under foolish pleasure or not, that is not possible. So that idea also went wrong. Then another wise man told that he should go to magician. Why? Because magician knows the future. But that also didn't work, right? And somebody told that if he go to magician, he will tell the future, so he don't have to worry whether it is right or wrong. He will, in advance he will tell. But that is not possible. Nobody can tell the future. Then second question comes, which people should he listen to? So for that also lot of idea came that he should go to scientists or to the doctors or to the counselors or to the soldiers. He should go. But then also king was not happy with that answer. And the last part, what is the most important thing for him to do? For that also he got idea that he should do religious worship, or he can devote his maximum times for science activity, right? Religious worship or science activity, these things are not possible full time. If a king is busy with the religious worship, how he is going to look after his kingdom? So last what happened, king got a lot of answer, but king was not happy with any answer, so he did not give reward to anybody. And what was the reward? Money was the reward, which was not given to anybody. So what he did, he went to hermit. Who's hermit? Hermit is a person who lives in woods. Woods means forest, who lives in forest and spend his time there by simple living, and he do lot of prayers and he is involved in all the religious worship. He is hermit. And then what happened? He was when king reached to the hermit was digging the ground and he was very tired. Tired means exhausted. He was really tired, exhausted. Okay. And how he reached there? How this king reached there? King did not come with a bodyguard or in a horse. He wore a ordinary cloth and came. Why? Because hermit is not ready to meet any rich person. He meet only ordinary sober people. Sober means simple looking, ordinary looking people he prefer. So he left his bodyguard and horse long back and he just came and met Hermit. He asked these 3 questions and told, can you give the answers of these 3 questions? Hermit did not reply. He was busy digging the ground. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Then what happened? King was tired and king told that, okay, do one thing. Give spade to me. What is spade? Digging tool. You give it to me, I will do it for you. Then hermit was happy and he just gave the spade to him. Now king was digging that ground. He dig 1 bed, 2 bed, 3. Now he was tired from sun. Now even it was evening and sun even set. He was really tired. He asked the hermit again, see, please give the answers of these 3 questions. Hermit did not open his mouth. Then king was like, he was getting impatient and he told that if you are not ready to give the answer, please tell me, I'll go back. By the time they saw one bearded man was running and coming towards their ashram. This bearded man was wounded. Blood was coming out from his stomach. How he got wounded? He was actually an enemy of king. How he became enemy of king? King killed his brother and seized his property. So this bearded man decided to take a revenge. And now he knows that king is going alone to hermit. So he decided that, okay, on the way, I will catch him and I will kill him. But what happened? He left his bodyguard and horse there, and there that bodyguard had noticed this person, bearded man, and what he did, he wounded him. Somehow he reached the ashram. There hermit and king dressed him properly, cleaned his wound, gave him water, gave him food, made him comfortable on the bed. After that, next day morning, this man was standing in front of king and was telling, forgive me. Forgive means pardon me, forgive me. He asked, why I have to forgive you? I don't know you. He said, you don't know, but I am your sworn enemy. I decided to kill you, but what happened yesterday when I came, you dressed my wound and I am alive. Otherwise, I would have died yesterday. So, I decided to work for you throughout my life, and I will tell my children also to work for you. Then king was very happy because he made friendship with his enemy. So he decided to return his property and give him some money and everything. He decided, and he sent his doctor also with him. That part was clear. So now after that, what happened? Last again, when now hermit, this king decided to go back to his kingdom. He asked hermit one more time. Now at least tell me the answers of these 3 questions. So hermit told that you already got the answers. How he got? What is the right time to begin something? Now. Now is the right time to begin something. How it is? Now. Now how? See, when bearded man came, he was wounded. Immediately, king dressed him. That was the right time to begin something. When king came and saw hermit was digging the ground and he is tired and exhausted. So what happened? King offered help. That okay, I will dig for you. That was the right time. Then comes which people should he listen to, right? Whoever is with you. That time hermit was there, so he listened to hermit, and then again who was there? A bearded man was there, so he listened to bearded man. So whoever is with you that time, you should listen to him. What is the most important thing for him to do? To help others. When he saw hermit was tired, so he helped him. So same way, when he saw that bearded man was wounded and blood was flowing, so he helped him, made him comfortable. So all 3 answers finally he got. And now few questions which we should revise from this chapters are like, question number 1, why did not king met hermit in royal attire? Royal attire means in a fantastic clothes, right? This word we did it in rebel also, in fantastic clothes. Why? Because hermit is not ready to meet anybody who comes from royal family or from very rich background. And what was the reward he offered? He offered money as a reward, right? And then the most important thing can be asked in this chapter is, if you were in a place of king, will you be agreed with these 3 answers? If you are a king, are you going to agree with these 3 answers? Now, and whoever is with you, and to help other is the most important thing. If you get the answer, write the answer in the comment box and send it to me. Thank you. Off.